Good morning. In today's video, couple of cases for the iPhone 16 Pro, panzerglass, spigen Ultra Hybrid, and Atlex Mag from Caseology. Ultra Hybrid first, and inside we do have a very nice transparent case. Let's take the iPhone, let's put it on. Tight, it's very tight. Is it going to protect the cameras? Yes, it will. Is it going to protect the screen? Yes, it will, all around. Feels very nice in the hand. The smartphone is still not too wide. Very nice grip. Cutouts, especially cutouts for the camera. There it is. Is it good? Oh, it's really good. So if I press, switch through all kinds of different stuff. Okay, maybe zoom will be nice. Nice. MagSafe. This way. Nice. Whoa. Tight. Tight. And also charging, because that's a wireless charger. By the way, I have another wireless charger from Xiaomi, which is great. And it's charging nicely. 42. Nice. The next one will be Atlex Mag from Caseology. Wow. We have a cleaning claw, a whispering fresh start. All right. Extremely grippy. And on the side, if I zoom in, do you see that texture? That is also, wow, grippy. Nice. I think that's one of the best grip I had ever in any case. It's number one. It's a bit pillowish, but that is really, really good. Unfortunately, it's for the iPhone Max. I bought the wrong case. I mean, no. But if you put case in a case, then maybe. Yeah. And of course, the panzerglass. Panzerglass it is. Well, very similar to the spigen. All right. It feels good in the hand. Clean. All right. It will protect the camera. It will protect the screen all around, but the cutouts are not what I expected. You see, look at the cutout. A bit narrow. So, it will be hard to press that camera. Okay, it's not easy like in a spigen. It is harder. Look at the difference to the spigen. See the difference? There's a huge difference. What if I tap it twice? Nah, I don't like it. The hole is too small. It should be a bit wider. So, no, that is a no for me. And that's all I got. Caseology and spigen are great, but the panzerglass, not really. That's all I got. See you next video. Bye.